Firms often hold sales contests, ranking agents on their sales results. But only star agents believe they can win these contests. If instead contests reward process, everyone has a fair chance of winning. Imagine a pharma farm where agents visit chemists and convince them to buy. When a new drug launched in two regions, the firm held two different contests, result and process. While visits counted for 1 point in both contests, sales counted for 20 points in result but only 5 points in process. We find agents visited more but sold less in process. Risk-hating agents thrived in process. They visited more and sold as much, performing better in an environment of certainty. In contrast, agents who spent more time convincing chemists excelled in result. They visited as much and sold more, performing better when they could showcase their skills. The right environment, be it result or process, brings out the best in agents. If firms keep them happy, they'll surely return the favor.